Let's go grocery shopping on a GLP-1. What to buy? Starting a GLP-1 medication like semaglutide, tirzepatide, or liraglutide doesn't just change your appetite, it completely rewires how you experience food. Suddenly, cravings are quieter, portions shrink naturally, and foods you once loved might feel heavy or unappealing. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Lean proteins, the non-negotiable foundation. Protein becomes the single most important nutrient when you're on a GLP-1. Because these medications significantly reduce appetite and slow gastric emptying. Many people unintentionally undereat protein, leading to fatigue, muscle loss, hair thinning, and slower metabolism. Lean protein helps preserve muscle mass during weight loss, supports satiety without heaviness, and stabilizes blood sugar levels. On a GLP-1, you may feel full after just a few bites, so every bite needs to work harder for your body. That's why choosing high-quality, easy-to-digest protein is critical. Grocery shopping with intention ensures you always have protein options that don't feel overwhelming, greasy, or nauseating. This isn't about bodybuilding, it's about protecting your health while the scale goes down. Look for skinless chicken breast, turkey breast, lean ground turkey, eggs, egg whites, salmon, tuna packets, shrimp, low-fat Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, tofu, tempeh, and protein shakes with minimal sugar. Choose items that cook quickly or are ready to eat, because large cooking projects can feel daunting when appetite is low. High-fiber vegetables, gentle, filling, and supportive. Fiber plays a delicate but essential role on GLP-1 medications. While fiber helps with fullness, digestion, and blood sugar control, too much, especially from raw or cruciferous vegetables, can worsen bloating, gas, and nausea. The key is choosing gentle, cook-friendly, water-rich vegetables that provide nutrients without overwhelming your slow digestive system. Grocery shopping becomes about selecting vegetables that feel light but nourishing, not bulky or abrasive. Fiber also helps prevent constipation, a common GLP-1 side effect, making smart vegetable choices an act of self-care rather than diet discipline. Zucchini, cucumbers, spinach, romaine, butter lettuce, bell peppers, carrots, green beans, asparagus, mushrooms, and frozen mixed vegetables. Frozen veggies are often easier on digestion and quick to prepare. Avoid loading up on raw cabbage, cauliflower, or large bags of kale early on. Fruits that won't spike or upset your stomach. Fruit can be tricky on GLP-1s. While naturally healthy, some fruits are high in sugar or acidity, which can trigger nausea or blood sugar fluctuations when your stomach empties more slowly. The goal isn't to eliminate fruit, but to choose low glycemic, fiber-balanced options that feel refreshing rather than overwhelming. Fruit can also help with hydration and provide quick energy when your appetite is low, making it a strategic tool rather than a free-for-all. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, apples, pears, kiwi, citrus in small portions, melon, and frozen berries for smoothies. Skip fruit juices and dried fruits, which can hit too fast and cause discomfort. Healthy fats, small amounts, big impact. Fat slows digestion even further, which can be a blessing or a curse on a GLP-1. Large amounts of greasy or fried fats often cause nausea, reflux, or that food just sitting there feeling. But small, intentional amounts of healthy fats improve satiety, support hormone balance, and help you absorb fat-soluble vitamins. Grocery shopping with a GLP-1 mindset means choosing fats you can measure, drizzle, or sprinkle, not drown your meals in. Extra virgin olive oil, avocados, nuts, nut butters, chia seeds, flax seeds, and olives. Choose portion-controlled packs when possible to avoid accidentally overeating fats. Easy-to-eat carbohydrates for low appetite days. Some days on a GLP-1, food just doesn't sound good, but you still need energy. Completely avoiding carbohydrates can worsen fatigue, dizziness, and brain fog. The key is choosing simple, low-volume, nutrient-dense carbs that are easy to digest and don't spike blood sugar. Grocery shopping ahead of time prevents those "I can't eat anything" days from turning into skipped meals or poor nutrition. Oatmeal, quinoa, brown rice, sweet potatoes, whole grain toast, rice cakes, tortillas, and low-sugar granola. These can be eaten in small portions without discomfort. Dairy and AMP, dairy alternatives that settle the stomach. Dairy tolerance can change dramatically on GLP-1s. Some people find it soothing, while others develop sensitivity. Protein-rich dairy can be a lifesaver when solid food feels unappealing. Shopping for low-fat, low-sugar options gives you flexibility without digestive distress. Low-fat Greek yogurt, kefir, cottage cheese, lactose-free milk, almond milk, soy milk, and protein-enhanced dairy products with minimal added sugar. Hydration helpers and AMP, electrolytes. GLP-1 medications often reduce thirst cues along with hunger, increasing the risk of dehydration. Dehydration can worsen nausea, constipation, headaches, and fatigue. Smart grocery shopping includes fluids that are appealing enough to sip consistently, not just plain water you forget to drink. Sparkling water, herbal teas, electrolyte packets, low sugar, bone broth, coconut water, small amounts, and flavored water enhancers without artificial sweeteners that upset your stomach. Snacks that actually make sense on a GLP-1. Traditional snacking habits don't translate well to GLP-1 life. You're no longer eating out of boredom, you're eating to meet nutritional needs. Snacks should be protein-forward, small, and purposeful, preventing energy crashes without triggering nausea. Protein bars, low sugar, string cheese, boiled eggs, hummus with crackers, yogurt cups, turkey roll-ups, edamame, and protein shakes. Foods that help prevent side effects. Constipation, reflux, nausea, and bloating are common GLP-1 side effects. Certain foods can reduce these issues, while others make them worse. Grocery shopping becomes preventative care, stocking items that soothe digestion and support regularity. Prunes, small amounts, psyllium fiber, ginger tea, peppermint tea, broth, soups, oatmeal, and cooked vegetables. What not to buy, at least early on. One of the biggest mistakes people make is shopping like they used to. GLP-1s change how your body reacts to food, and many old favorites can suddenly cause discomfort. Knowing what not to buy saves money, reduces food waste, and prevents miserable side effects. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.